Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Half-Life 2 within the Portal game engine. This unique crossover lets you explore familiar environments with a new twist. We will go over the necessary steps to set this up, including how to acquire and install the required map files. Get ready to experience a classic title in a completely different and exciting way, using the iconic portal gun to navigate its world. To begin, you will need to obtain the Half-Life 2 map files. These are usually found as BSB files and can be sourced from various community-driven platforms or extracted from your existing Half-Life 2 installation. It is crucial to ensure you have a complete backup of your Portal game directory before making any modifications. This step safeguards your original game files against any unforeseen issues during the process. Once you have the map files, copy them directly into your Portal Games Maps folder. Next, launch Portal and enable the developer console through the advanced keyboard options. With the console open, type map followed by the desired Half-Life 2 map name, such as D1 Canals 01, and press Enter. You may also need to enable cheats with SV Cheats 1 to access the portal gun. Now you are ready to dive into the world of Half-Life 2 with the unique mechanics of Portal. Enjoy traversing familiar landscapes with the power of the portal gun, opening up new strategic possibilities. Keep in mind that this is an unofficial crossover, so you might encounter some visual anomalies or occasional crashes. Remember to save your progress frequently to avoid losing any gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.